Ever wondered if there's a hidden cost to convenience? Specifically, with the Uphold card, that sleek piece of plastic, or virtual one, that promises to bridge the gap between your digital assets and everyday spending. Many of us are diving into the world of crypto and multi-asset platforms, and naturally, we want to know what we're getting into. So, what's the real cost of wielding the Uphold card? Is it a budget-friendly option, or are there hidden fees lurking in the shadows? Let's break down all the potential charges you might encounter. Let's start with a major win. The Uphold card doesn't have any monthly or annual fees. That's right, no recurring charges just for having the card in your wallet. This is a huge relief, especially when many traditional financial products come with ongoing maintenance costs. It makes the Uphold card an attractive option for those looking to manage their crypto and fiat without constant deductions. While there are no recurring fees, there's a one-time charge if you want a physical Uphold card. This typically costs around £9.95, or the equivalent in your local currency, for shipping and production. If you're perfectly happy using the card virtually through Apple Pay or Google Pay, you're in luck, because the virtual card is completely free to activate. So, if you prefer to keep everything digital, you can save that initial cost. Accessing physical cash from an ATM with your Uphold card does come with fees, and these vary based on your location. For national ATM withdrawals within the UK, there's a fee of £2.50. For international ATM withdrawals outside the UK and EU, the fee goes up slightly to £3.50. It's important to be mindful of these charges if you frequently withdraw cash, as they can add up over time. Here's some excellent news for travelers and global spenders. The Uphold card boasts 0% foreign transaction fees. This is a significant advantage, as many traditional bank cards can hit you with charges of 2 to 3% or more when you use them abroad. Uphold aims to provide competitive exchange rates, meaning you can spend in different currencies without worrying about punitive conversion costs. However, remember that while there are no additional foreign transaction fees, the underlying exchange rate spread will still apply when converting between assets on the Uphold platform. While the Uphold card doesn't have a transaction fee in the traditional sense when you spend with it, it's crucial to understand how Uphold generates revenue on its platform, which can indirectly affect the cost of using your card. Uphold primarily uses a spread-based model for buying and selling assets. This means that when you convert one currency or cryptocurrency to another, which happens automatically if your spending asset isn't the local currency of your purchase, there's a small difference between the buy and sell price that Uphold keeps. These spreads vary depending on the asset and market liquidity. For stablecoins and major national currencies, the spread can be as low as 0.20 to 0.25%. For Bitcoin and Ethereum, it's typically between 1.4% and 1.6%. For altcoins and precious metals, the spread can range from 1.9% to 2.95%. So, while there's no direct spending fee on the card itself, the underlying cost is built into these spreads when you convert your funds. Uphold aims for transparency, displaying the price you pay up front. Good news again. Unlike some other cards or accounts, the Uphold card doesn't charge inactivity fees. You don't have to worry about your balance slowly eroding if you don't use the card for an extended period. Overall, the Uphold card can be a cost-effective solution for managing and spending your digital and traditional currencies. The absence of monthly or annual fees, and especially the 0% foreign transaction fees, are significant benefits. The main costs to be aware of are the one-time physical card fee and the ATM withdrawal fees. Beyond that, the operational costs are embedded in the platform's trading spreads when you convert assets. So, if you're looking for a versatile card to bridge your crypto and everyday spending, the Uphold card offers a relatively transparent and competitive fee structure. Just remember to factor in those ATM and spread costs, and you'll be well on your way to making informed spending decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.